Hello everyone, so how to change a status privacy on WhatsApp. So here you can just change your status, and if you just click send, it will be sent. But if you want to limit this status update to few contacts, not all of them, you just click on privacy, and then here you can select all my contacts except, or only share with. So you can just select a contact with who you want to share this status. So this way you won't be sharing your status updates to all of the people. If you want to add a photo, you can add a photo. You can also add text. You can change font. You can change the color. And then you can see the history of your status updates, and you can edit them. You can just doing stuff like this. You can delete them. So that's what you can do with WhatsApp statuses. It's a pretty cool feature, so I really advise you to use it.